is amazing.
All right. It looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah, it does. It's super cute. Hi!
How's it going?
Oh, his little wobble is the best. How are you guys? How are you? Good to see you.
How you
So you guys have about $155,000 set aside.
Yes.
Okay. What do you love about this house, and then what do you want to change?
So I definitely want to change the roof.
He didn't love anything.
Doesn't love
He
anything.
skipped right over that. Are there any leaks or anything?
There is a leak.
Okay, so that's a problem for sure.
There used to be a wraparound porch. That's where this area is right here that has the windows.
Yeah, this is definitely where the old deck was.
What about the carport? Do you want to keep this?
I hate it.
It works, but it's an eyesore.
I agree. What I would love to do out here is to remove the carport altogether, open up this side room, and reconstruct the wraparound porch, and then replace this leaky roof. What about your paint color? Would you be up for a new color?
We are really open.
Okay. I really think painting the house and adding in new landscaping will just completely transform this home. So this is adorable.
We love the hardwood floors in here. They go all the way throughout our house. They need a little bit of work.
One of the things that I always wanted was an open concept. The arch is cool, but I think it kind of blocks everything off a little bit.
Okay, this is easy. We will refinish these gorgeous hardwood floors, open up the living room, add in new paint and beautiful lighting.
We like that. So right here on our left is our bedroom.
So right off the living room.
Yes.
Right off the living room.
There's just a lot of doors.
There's
We're
so many
surrounded by doors.
Everywhere.
There's a door there too.
The doors make it hard to put the bed in a space that we can put a painting behind or give it some decor.
I think it makes a lot of sense to be able to quickly go, but he's not gonna be a baby forever,
Right.
so does it make sense to have this door here when he's 12, right?
That's what I was thinking about.
Yeah.
Right now it's great, but it might not be what's
Right.
best later.
Okay, in here, once again, we'll refinish these gorgeous hardwood floors, remove some of these doors, including the one into Witten's nursery, and give everything a fresh coat of paint.
That sounds
Perfect.
really nice.
And then you have your bathroom.
Yes, this bathroom is gigantic. We feel like this space is not necessarily used the best way.
Okay.
Yeah. So in here, we'll steal some space to make a new closet for you. And then we'll update the floors, give you a new shower, a new vanity, and of course, update the lighting.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it is tucked back here.
Love the ceiling.
I love the ceiling. I'm so glad you said that.
I have to ask, was the layout like this when you guys bought it?
It was.
Okay. It's almost like someone just bought a bunch of random cabinets and said, we're gonna make this work in the space that we have, and that's kind of how the kitchen was born.
We love to cook together, so having both of us in here is just super tight.
And when you open the oven, you're backing into the fridge.
All right, there's a lot we need to figure out in here. I just don't think this layout's working well for your family. I definitely think we can make moving the kitchen over here work. We'll open it up to the dining room and living room, refinish the hardwood floors, add in some classic shaker cabinets, do some stone countertops, and then I'd love to see some really modern pendants above the island.
Sounds great. Super excited.
I think we should take half of this current kitchen and frame out a whole new laundry room. And we'll make it a space that Philip will actually enjoy using. And we can incorporate a space for the dogs so that we can move their kennels out of the basement. Also, we'll come over here. What about we get rid of all this? And this is the hallway.
I like that.
Since the current kitchen entrance is now going to become the new laundry room entrance,
Right.
we can now open up this wall where this built-in is. And then this will become our new hallway into the main bedroom. And then over here, what if we make it the son's bedroom? I was originally gonna make it into the guest bedroom, but it's right across from the main bedroom, so it keeps Philip and Ellie close to their son, but it'll still give them privacy as he gets older. If he's back here, we can make this super cute, have a little play space. Yeah?
I like that. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Look at that. I think there's an under cabinet light right there. Oh,
Oh, gosh.
down that one.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh. You think you should put safety glasses on when you're doing that?
I mean, I'm down to one. I get it. I get it. I'm
Down
down
to
to
one.
one.
It's always very exciting getting the cabinets. The house is starting to come together. You can start to see what it's gonna be. It's an exciting day. In the main bathroom, we have a gray hexagon tile being installed, and I think it's the perfect combination of timeless and modern. The cabinets are going to give the house some functional storage and really help things flow better. And the remaining 10 tiles are going up to give the Elliott's kitchen a unique vintage touch. It's perfect. Things are really coming together here at the Elliott house. It's very exciting. We have a sage green paint going up on the exterior of the house. And this is gonna really freshen things up, but keep with the historic charm of this home. In the nursery, I have classic trim going up that really matches the home's original character. And then I'm gonna paint everything bright white so it's really nice and clean. A dark blue vanity is being installed in the main bathroom, and it'll add a subtle hint of color. And in the laundry room, we have this beautiful hand-painted custom wallpaper going up. It'll keep the space feeling unique and unexpected. It looks awesome. Really good.
Wow, oh my goodness.
Hi! How are you? Good, how are you? Welcome home.
This is amazing. Look at our porch.
It looks totally different.
I was right about the carport.
Yeah, 100% right about the carport.
It is a different house.
No.
You got a brand new room.
So much better. I love the landscaping. Save me some work for sure.
Yeah, exactly.
Really, though.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
Wow, you guys.
Floors look great.
Floors?
They look
Yours,
they look great. I can't believe it's the same place.
right?
It doesn't look like the same house.
You really wanted to be able to walk in and see all the way to the back of the house. Now you
Yeah,
can.
now I can. Open
Okay.
concept.
Yes.
It is.
That's how it was supposed to be.
Wow, look at our kitchen.
I know. Whoa, my goodness. We have an island now.
I know. And our tiles.
Your tile that was in your kitchen originally wasn't actually tin. So we actually got new tin and
Ordered a new tin
ordered new
ceiling.
tin and put it in.
It's gorgeous. I love the countertops.
I like the texture of
Yeah, the
the.
honed surface.
That is cool.
No fridge to back into.
I don't know what else to say really. It's beautiful.
Let's go back up here. See some more rooms. This is so exciting. So you remember you had a bookcase here,
Yes.
but now you have a hallway and then a new entrance to your bedroom.
Something we did not have
No,
before.
you did not. Now the flow is so much better.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. This is our room.
I know. I said there's no doors.
There's one door.
It's perfect.
Guys,
It's perfect.
we have a real bedroom.
We have a real bedroom.
I want to see the bathroom now.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's yes. This is what we had in mind.
I love the neutral tone of the tile. I love the geometric shape. And I have a closet.
I know.
I said we have a closet.
Yeah, go ahead. Go look.
Wow. I finally have my own space. I don't have to share a closet with Witten.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at his little space. Oh, he's gonna be so excited. It's your own fishing pole, just like Dada. It stood for such a long time, and now it's, even more special than it already was.